this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this I'll show you how you can set up your iPad mini no matter which version you have for the first time. This is iPad mini, so you have to hit the power button no matter here is whatever. It's the same the process. Here I have top, hit this one. Let's see. And the first thing first, you have different option of the language. You have to decide which language you want to use in your device. So let me close here. So you see here the first one is English, obviously. Put your country where you are. I hit Spain here. Selecting language setting. Okay. Quick start guide, manual, other stuffs up here. Set up manually, I put here. Language preference is English, but they give me two languages here, English and Spanish. I'm happy with that. I hit continue. I have to connect with my Wi-Fi in this case. And I have to put the password and I'll be back. After putting the password, you have to hit here join button. So Wi-Fi is choosing, is done. Hit next button here. You have to hit continue in this case. If you want to set up Touch ID, you can do that, or you can do that later. Many iPad doesn't have Touch ID. These days they have Face ID, so set up the Face ID. After typing 2 times password, it's telling me some option. Restore from backup, restore from Mac, transfer direct, don't transfer anything. So I put don't transfer any data. Hit this one as a new iPad I want to use. Put your Apple ID. In this case, if you don't have any Apple ID, check the video description how you can make an Apple ID by your phone, by your Mac, by your PC. I have many videos on that. So put your Apple ID. After putting your Apple ID, you have to put your password. I'll put the password and I will be back. You have to hit agree and continue in this case. So my account is connected already. You can see my picture is there. I hit continue. Don't share anything. Get started. Allow once. So here we go. The iPad is ready with different information. You can see this is look more as Android phone now with a many information on the screen and data more as Android device. Can see here. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.